This is David with Disperse Camping in a Van. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons. You can also get information about my van build on my website at www.dispersecampinginavan.com. This is a short video about my 2 kW automatic altitude adjustment Chinese diesel heater I purchased from Amazon in 2022. The heater has worked great for 2 winters with no problems. Remember, safety first when you install a diesel heater. You need a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide tester. I normally just use remote control for the thermostat because it's easier. As you can see, I've just turned it on. If you listen, you can hear the fuel pump. My diesel heater is located in the garage space below the bed located on the passenger side of the vehicle. A diesel heater's exhaust temperatures are very hot. Be mindful where it's located and keep flammable materials away. The diesel heater is very fuel efficient. I've used less than 2 gallons of diesel fuel in the last month. The diesel heater's muffler is located in front of the rear passenger side tire. And yes, I do have not just one but 2 fire extinguishers in my van. I hope you enjoyed and got something out of the video, and as always, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Bye now.